In this video, I'd just like to show some of the new functionality that's been added to the coding tool and talk about some stuff that will be upcoming. So here I am at the PA website and I'm logged in, so I can go to my coded matches and view the list of coded matches that I've got. Now from here I can either download the data file, I can email the data file to myself, and that will be a sports code XML file, or I can view the statistics for that game, or I can delete that game. What I'm going to do now is to go into code game, and that would be the same as if I selected CodingTool from here, and start a new session. So we're going along, we can click this a few times, just click some random buttons here, and then we'll have a look at the stats, and we can see that they've all been recorded. We can look at if I code a special and then view the history, we can see that we can now remove that from the list. But let's say we're going along and we've been coding for quite a while, and for whatever reason, maybe the internet goes down or the browser closes. So I'm going to refresh this page, and when I do, you'll see that when we come back we've now got unsaved games, and if I view that, it'll say that there was a game with no title, it wasn't completed, and it was created on this date. We can either delete that or we can choose to sync it. Now if I sync it, it will remove from online matches, and when I go back to my coded matches list, we can see that that game has been added here. Now I will add functionality that will allow to edit the title so that we can put in a friendly or a proper title, but again, if we look at the report for that game, it'll be the same statistics that we saw before. So I'll go ahead and delete that. I'll just show the other experience of saving. So if we went through, so now we don't have offline files, we'll start a new game, we'll code 3 field goals and a PC goal and 2 stroke goals, and now when we can pause it. So let's say the camera was stopped at half time, or we needed to go, or something stopped. We can pause it and then resume it, and then the counter will start again. When we stop it, we're asked to give it a title. So we'll just call this ZZZ versus YYY. We can send an email with that. But if I click save now, we can see that that's got the title. So that's just a couple of things about saving games. What I'm going to add next is another action, which will be a timeline view. And what that will do is basically display all of the coded entries, but in more of a timeline view, so we can just see when things happened. So it won't synchronize up with video yet. That may come down the track, but what it will do is to just let you see the flow of the game, and maybe just I'll add some editing functionality so that you can just make adjustments in the timeline tool. So that's the current state of play. If you've got any questions, please feel free to sing out. Thank you.